All right, for Ubuntu today, I have some interesting news, supercharging Ubuntu releases, monthly snapshots, and automation. Ubuntu has shipped on a predictable 6-month cadence for 2 decades. Has it been 20 years? It sure has. 20 years ago, the idea of releasing an entire distribution every 6 months was considered forward-looking, bold, and difficult. I remember my first test with Linux was with Ubuntu, and even then I thought, wow, this has potential. Anyway, things have changed since then. Software engineering has evolved as a practice, and the advent of both rolling release distributions like Arch and more recently image-based immutable distributions such as Universal Blue. Immutable is nothing new. I think probably Google's Chromebooks have probably mastered immutable Linux with their Chromebooks. My goal over the coming months is to build a release process that takes advantage of modern release engineering practices while retaining the resilience and stability of our 6-month releases. We'll introduce a significantly more automated testing and ensure that the release process is transparent, repeatable, executable in a much shorter, well-known time frame with little to no human intervention. Well, that's certainly interesting. So this journey will also create space for better system-wide testing, earlier detection of regressions, and a more productive collaboration with our community. So to keep this simple, I think the goal here is to be more cohesive, more stable releases, and to catch bugs ahead of time. So there'll be less process or less problems during the final release of each Ubuntu release. So they do say here that Ubuntu is not moving to monthly releases or adopting a rolling release model. That's okay. I will have a link for this below in the show notes. They have released a release schedule. And that's it for Ubuntu today. I'll catch you on the next one. Ciao.